Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to outline an image using Gimp. It's really simple and easy. First of all, from the menu, choose this filters, navigate down to lights and shadow. From the expanded menu, choose this drop shadow. Change your X and Y shadow offsets to 0. Set your blur radius to 0. Then increase the thickness of your stroke. Enter a value into grow radius like this. Select your color. Then click on this OK. Then set opacity to the maximum of 2 and click OK, and you will see this kind of results. To save you entering those values every time you want to add stroke. Once your stroke parameters are set, click the plus button next to the preset drop down list, give your preset a name and click OK. Next time you want to apply stroke, you can select it from your preset drop down list and apply stroke instantly. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to outline an image in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.